I'm gonna try to install this self-leveling tabs from Bennett. They're like, I think 150 or something like that. These are the SLT10s. Now let's see what we need, guys. Download your instructions at Bennett tabs. Alright. Pretty easy. Doesn't look that hard. Alright guys, so we gotta be 4 inches from the shine and then minimum 8 inches from the center. So I have all this space right here, so I'm gonna put it right here, guys. It's like a natural, it fits perfect right there, so I'm just gonna put it right there. Check it out, guys. I don't know why, but it looks like it was made for this. Look at that, perfect. So I'll put it right there. I'm just gotta drill the holes and then put it right there, guys. Some marine adhesive. Just like that, guys. Has to be flat. As long as it's flat, guys. So we need this flat now, guys. Flat now, and then we can measure this part. Marine grade adhesive. Guys, I ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere, guys. There we go. That's how you release it, guys. So that should be starting tomorrow, guys. And then to put it back, bring it back. The spring. There we go. Now we put them back, guys. Alright, let's do the other one. Alright guys, I got the other one now. This was a little quicker, but we got both of them. I had to move my fish finder on this side, but check it out, guys. We got both of them now. It's pretty quick. It's gonna be these right here, guys. Self-leveling tabs from Bennett Marine, guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Catch you guys in the water next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.